Hi everyone, this is Yana for English Buff. Today we're going to talk with you about the future, but from the past perspective. Intrigued? Let's waste no time then. When we talk about the past, sometimes we want to talk about something that was in the future at that time. To do this, we need to put future forms into the past. So when we want to use the future in the past with going to, I am going to becomes I was going to. We can use this for plans, predictions, or intentions that change.
I was going to be a cardiologist, but I didn't have the heart.
Or for things that did happen. So, I knew you were going to stay at home. I knew you were going to come with me. Pay attention to the pronunciation though. I was going to, when we speak quickly, becomes I was gonna. Let's take a look at the example.
I was going to apologize for belittling your marriage.
We use present continuous to talk about the arrangements in the future. When we want to use future in the past, it becomes past continuous. She was getting married soon and she wanted me to help her. We can also use it to talk about the arrangements that didn't happen, but you intended them to happen.
Well, I was hoping to avoid this. He said to me that their babies would be smart and beautiful.
When referring to the future in the past, will becomes would. I thought you would call me later. Remember, we normally contract would to d. I thought you'd call me later.
I was about to answer your question.
When we talk about the future, something that is going to happen in a short time, we use am about to. I am about to have lunch. I am about to call Jim. I am about to do some exercises. When we want to use this structure to talk about the future in the past, am about to becomes was about to. I was about to have lunch. Would you join me? I was about to call Jim, but then he called me. I was about to do some exercises, but I felt tired.
We would have asked you sooner, but we forgot you worked here.
I'll have done the video by lunchtime. I thought I'd have done the video by lunchtime, but it took longer. Pay attention to the contractions again. So instead of saying I would have, when we are speaking, we say I'd.
I'd have tried to help him.
I was going to tell you to subscribe to my channel for new videos every other week, but you all know that already, so I don't need to tell you that. See you very soon. Thanks so much for watching me and bye for now.